I want to strip the cunt now, boys. Let's come back in a minute once I've got this fucking head off here. Let's have a look under here. Let's have a look at this then. Fucking hard to try and do this one-handed. Oh. Just getting a fresh one anyway. Getting a fresh one in there. Something don't sound good. I don't know. Piston might be fine. It might be that, you know. Dragging in there. Let me have a look. Well, to me, that cylinder's fine. But the piston is top ring stuck. Top ring stuck in. No piston, laddie. Might be a bottom end as well, by the looks of this. Yeah, we'll come back in a minute once I've got this off. Yep, piston's definitely gone once it focuses. Shit. Ooh. She's a goner. Cylinder looks alright though.